पक्ष योग्य निर्णय घेना म्हण हायकमांडाक हांव 2012 सावन सांगत आसा आनी हें अशेंच उरत तर फुडें म्हारग पडपाक शकता. सांकवाळे उमेदवार घालिनासतना पक्षा आड काम केल्लें आसा. हाका जो कोण जबाबदार आसा ताचेर कारवाय जावपाक जाय म्हण कुडतरीचो आमदार रेजिनाल्ड उलयला. RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
I have read in the paper that he has taken responsibility.
What do you have to say? What do you have to say? Who has taken Girish?
See, from 2012 I have been telling the central high command of the party that they are not taking the right decisions. And this is the fallout of not taking the right decisions. If at all no action is taken against the person who is responsible, it will only amount to acceptance of the crime that has been committed against the party. And if that is the case, they will not be able to face the electorate. You should ask, एक फुटबॉल टीमीन मरे हें आसता कितें आहा, कोच आहा, कॅप्टन आहा, मॅनेजर आहा, तिनी पोस्ट म्हाका नाय. पोस्ट आहाय तेणी सांबाळप दिवपाक जाय. आनी जोतर ते पोस्ट आहाय त्या मनशान जोतर सॅक जायना आनी एक्शन जायना.
कॅप्टन चेंज जावपाक जाय. कॅप्टन चेंज जावपाक जाय का म्हणटा.
I'm not saying who has to be sacked, and if the party doesn't take action, if party doesn't take action, it only amounts to accepting of a crime against the party, of allowing for the finals, a buy for the finals. That means you don't fight elections. In politics, perception is important.
Owning responsibility is not enough.
Owning responsibility is not enough. After owning responsibility, people have submitted their resignations and they are still there.
You suspect that we are fixing in this?
The elections, there is only one prize. There are no two prizes, second prize and first prize. If you want to win, you have to win the first prize or get out.